Hi guys, Joe from Pepper in the Woods. Dell finally hit 1,000 subs, so we're going to do that giveaway now. I got the random generator up, which is there. So I have the URL. Quick video. Okay, while that's loading up, don't forget to check my eBay account to see what deals I got on. I'm selling off a lot of my kit really cheap just to make space, and a lot of spare kit I don't need. So the winner is Rob Powell. So I'll show you there, just so you don't say I'm cheating. Take the camera off. Like a bastard. Oop, okay, there you go. Alright, there you are, just so you don't say I'm cheating. Alright, zoom in. There you are, alright? So I just need Rob to contact me and I'll post that out. So thanks guys for watching. Upcoming videos, probably more lighting, head torches, lamps, stuff like that. The UCO candle, I want to do a review of that one again. Cutting tools. I'm not going to buy any more knives. I have plenty of knives. I'll do reviews of knives, but I'm not going to go out of my way and spend more money on knives. Some primitive stuff we're going to do next, so that should be good. So thanks guys for watching. Catch you next video. Bye.